Sha.
The Tortoise and the Magic Drum. Once upon a time, there lived a tortoise named Kunkuru. Kunkuru loved fruits and hardly went a day without one. One day, Kunkuru realized he had run out of fruits and decided to go in search of some in a nearby forest. He found a mango tree, shook it, and down fell a few ripe mangoes. While picking up the mangoes, one began to roll down a slope. Kunkuru grabbed the rest and went after it. Kunkuru continued to go after the mango until it fell into a hole. Kunkuru went inside the hole and, behold, found himself in another world.
Wow!
As Kunkuru looked around, he found an old man eating his mango and walked up to him.
That is my mango!
I am sorry. I did not know it belonged to you.
Give it back!
But it is only one mango. You have more with you.
No! I want my mango back! I want them all!
Thought the old man. I shall give you a special drum in exchange for your mango.
A special drum. That sounds interesting.
The old man led Kunkuru into a room where there were drums and drumsticks. Go ahead, pick one.
Okay. I want the smallest one. It will be light for me to carry.
When Kunkuru returned home, he picked up his new drum. He started drumming, and to his surprise, a mango appeared before him.
Wow!
He ate the mango and continued his drumming. Out came another mango, which he also ate.
Wow! This is awesome!
Impressed, Kunkuru continued to beat the drum over and over again. Out came more mangoes than he could chew. Yet he would not stop. He drummed and drummed until the surface of the drum tore apart.
Oh no! My drum!
Kunkuru was amazed and thought up a plan to replace the drum. He picked up a mango and went back to the hole in the forest. Next, he threw it down the hole and went after it. Inside the new world, Kunkuru found the old man again and approached him.
My mango just slipped down the hole. Have you found it?
Yes, here it is, the old man responded, giving the mango to Kunkuru. Kunkuru was surprised to see the old man had not eaten the mango.
That is not my mango. Mine is of a different color.
He lied.
I want a magic drum in exchange for my mango.
All right. Once again, the old man took him to the drum store and asked him to pick a pair. Kunkuru went for the largest of them. By the time he got home, he was already tired. Still, he picked up the drum and started to beat with all his might. out came a whip lashing him. Kunkuru began to run back to the forest with the whip chasing after him. He jumped into the hole, found the old man, and began to apologize.
I am sorry for being rude to you. I am sorry for being greedy. I am sorry for lying to you. Please forgive me.
Well, I am sure you learnt your lesson. You are forgiven, Kunkuru. And they became good friends.